In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, attach, and link files in Google Sheets cells using FileDrop. We'll walk through the full process from start to finish, so by the end, you'll be able to conveniently connect documents, images, and other files directly to your spreadsheet cells, without cluttering your drive or losing track of what's where. First, open the Google Sheet where you want to work. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to both the sheet and the files you want to attach. It's a good idea to have a clean area in your sheet ready. Maybe a dedicated column where each row will have its own attached file. This keeps everything organized and easier to scan later. Next, you'll need to have FileDrop installed as an add-on for Google Sheets. If you don't see FileDrop in your extensions menu, you can install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once it's installed, go to the Extensions menu at the top of the sheet, find FileDrop in the list, and click it to open the sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. Give it a moment to load, and if prompted, grant any necessary permissions so it can work with your files and your spreadsheet. With the FileDrop sidebar open, click on the cell where you want your first file to be attached. This is important. FileDrop will use your currently selected cell as the target. In the sidebar, you'll see options to upload a file from your computer or pick a file from your cloud storage. Choose the option that fits your workflow. If you're uploading from your device, select the file and wait for the upload to complete. If you're picking from your drive, browse or search for the file, then confirm your selection. Once the upload or selection is done, FileDrop will automatically create a link or attachment in that cell. Typically, you'll see either a clickable link or a small button-like element that opens the file. You can repeat this process for other rows, always making sure to click the target cell first and then attach the file through the FileDrop sidebar. To keep things clear, you might want to add labels in adjacent columns, like file type, status, or notes about the content. This makes your sheet work like a lightweight database of documents. Anytime you or a collaborator needs to open a file, you just click the link or button in that cell, and it will open in a new tab or the appropriate viewer. Finally, remember that anyone who needs access to these files must also have permission to view them in your storage. If a collaborator can't open a link, check the sharing settings on the original file, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to insert, attach, and link files in Google Sheet cells using FileDrop, so you can keep your data and documents tightly connected in one organized place.